direction. All the money they gon' make off the track this year, I'ma spend it on my shoe collection. I used to be a window shopper, now they're mad at me and I think I know why. I never wear Balenciaga, but I guarantee I'll make a chick roll back. But I don't wanna be a player, and she don't wanna be a freak no more. She caught me red-handed, and she don't even wanna speak no more. Boo-boo, why you being a pagan? You know the sex was amazing, I give it to her in fast motion. Hit it from the back and watch the ass motion. Baby, I'm coming, baby, I'm coming. Hit it from the back, she said, baby, I'm coming. I said, I wanna ride, she said, baby, I'm coming. Baby, I'm coming with you, with you. Everything fleek, so they're hating on you. I'ma be right there waiting on you. Oh, I fell in love with a girl with a double barrel. I fell in love with a girl with a double barrel. Everything fleek, so they're hating on you. I'ma be right there waiting on you. Oh, I fell in love with a girl with a double barrel. I fell in love with a girl with a double barrel.
Working, waiting for the market. What's going on, bro? It's done. What is going on, my brother? What's happening? You boys pulled out of tomorrow. Why? We do this every time. What's that, bro? What's good, Cam? You boys not asked that shit to be like. Paul Ray said that you guys pulled out. So I don't know, bro. I don't know what to believe anymore. Oh well. Play or no play, don't matter, man. My legs are fucking cooked anyway. What do I actually want to see this session? Because so this low. Exposed. That's alright. Whatever the reason, I think we had enough players. So I'm not sure. It don't make sense to me, man. What's good, Cam? Alright, so set this low, we're buying back out. I think this high is probably pretty likely if I don't overcomplicate it. We'll reprice 50% of that, so I think getting long, but probably after we sweep this low, the way the market's going. So I probably want to wait if we can come maybe into here or back into here. And if it runs without me, I ain't gonna take. But if we can come back into one of these two areas and then get my 2000 inversion, that's what I'll take today, right? Could happen quickly, but I think I've been rushing into some setups yesterday got close, but had we just stuck to our original sweeping of this is like fucking A1, dude. This is like A1. Push up almost 50% of this range. And I remember there was a 5,000 inversion area here as well. In this gap, and then this gap here. So this session, I've got to stay patient. But in my opinion, it's at this low. Get sort of double bottom, triple bottom forming, and we're ranging. Indecision. To be honest, I do it fucking straight after. Like, if I game, it depends. Not every time it's gonna be gaming. But sometimes if I'm stressed, I'll just fucking crash out on FIFA for a bit, like yesterday. I also feel unproductive when I game, but sometimes it's good. And if I take a loss, like I don't get off and can do whatever, but sometimes it's like if I take a loss in 10 minutes, I still want to stream. And that's usually another thing that triggers me, is like, I enjoy streaming. 1v1, I'll do it. I'll 1v1 you. Not right now, after I trade for a bit, but I'll do it. Fucking oath. Stream it as well. We'll play. Loves a bit of FIFA. I mean, we already have reinversed this and tagged it here, so it could just run up to these highs. But I think I'm happy with what I want to see. So get that run straight away, which is alright. Best out of 3, fucking earth. Stress inducing. Watch me crash out, but I'll play. See if we can make some money first. I'm in this for the fucking long haul, so I ain't gonna fucking blow these accounts easily, man. I ain't going down without a fucking fight, lad. I mean, this has done everything it needs to here as well. So it doesn't necessarily, you know, we've come into this 2000 and we've respected. So what I'd want to see is probably how we react above here. If we close above, and we can take it long with momentum. So we either push to the upside and try catch long, or we push to the downside and try catch long. Either way, I'm taking long. Need some relaxing music. This is really nice to just continue higher off into higher prices. And we are quite bullish with this. No, I just have a Liverpool past and present. I do have another team. I play that game way too much, bro. I don't really fucking... It's a stress-inducing game, that one. Definitely can't play it like early in the day. I have to play it after I fucking stream. If I played that game before, bro, I'll tilt. I remember there was a time I used to trade and play FIFA at the same time, and I'd like lose a game of FIFA and then just take a trade. So fucking DJ. Why not get anything before 11? So Monday, 8 AM. Super fucking bullish. You still here, Cam? What's good, bro? So what we do once we push above these areas, because I think it's going to be fucking... Yeah, I'm gonna go long today. Nothing to enter off here, but I mean, this push up here is nice. See if we can ride long. I either want to see like strong buying above here and then try get in on something, or if this fails, I want to get long sort of underneath this liquidity because I think it might sweep and then go back long. I'll play between that framework. Slow day. Started in profit, came down a bit. Average winning trade to losing trade is fine, but winning percentage is off, which is fine. This is okay. There's also this 5,000 inversion area here. Plus they're open-minded, because the market is a bit fucking how you going. I don't trust this as a big sell-off, because I think this is expected. People trying to short in this, so I can expect this to get bought back up into, to be honest. That's what I'd like to see. Very bearish though.
Another nigga gone, that's like the 12th sentence. Changes, shit's much different from the dangers. Shit looks different from the neighbors.
Patient fucking game, this rubbish, mate. Fuck.
Was man's bridging, now we're strangers. We pop bang 7 nigga stages. A West man begging nigga save us. And that man's never put in wages. I'm mentally fucked, I'm mentally scarred, I'm meant to be up. I'm meant to be high, I'm meant to be chuffed. Found my fault for my life, I'm mentally stuck. Man, I'll jump out my chair, you're mentioning buck. They just lock niggas up, they sent for the cuffs. Had to call up my girl and sent for my stuff. Found the day I walked out, it went through my guts. So in charge, everybody's watching niggas, so it starts. Everybody's watching thinking, oh, we're stars.
That's a super bearish close, but I honestly think this will get bought back up into.
Man's just pussy like a black cat. And man's just looking like a flash chap. D-square jacket and a flash cap. I'm made for this, I came for that. I paid for this, I changed for this. I never left, I stayed for this. Fucking hell, I do this for my niggas that are stuck in jail. I do this for my niggas that got up and fell. I do this for my brothers, nigga, fuck a cell.
When you have a hard close like this as well, sometimes it's good to note what happens. Are people buying that close? Because if so, you can almost, you know, it depends how this one closes, but if this is a bearish close that gets bought back up into, you don't want to see that. It's a bearish close that gets traded lower, then it might go lower. But if it's a bearish close that gets bought back into, if it's in direction of the trend, sometimes it can work. Right, this one sweeps it, but then quickly buys back up into it. So just knowing that people would be short this. See what these candles will do.
BCM. Born chasing mafia. Bear cream, motherfucker. Yo, listen. We're coming like the military. 1,000 bells coming like a.
So you long bias, Guardians, or sure?
I'm coming like a visionary. Pole looking bloody Mary. Hitting anybody near me. My own friends moving wary. Reckless. Aggressive. Reckless. Please don't vex us. Reckless. Delete all my texts. Reckless. Gal want sex us. You know what sex is? Reckless. Grab her by the necklace. So much neck. Gal gon' need a
Fuck, you did.
Gal's on my bracelet. Now she wanna embrace. I just fuck faced and touch base. I'm getting back to the trenches in a rush. Come back to my senses when I bust. Pray my niggas bust case. I got guys.
J Huss is fucking crazy, bro. Shit will get banned for sure. But that's why we're on Kick, cause Kick don't care, dude. It's just music, man.
Reckless, reckless, delete all my texts. Reckless, 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 reckless. I'm never stationary.
So this is still what I want to see. Saying that this could sell off and then we can catch along somewhere down here. Yeah. I mean, the closer it gets to 11, I gotta wait, because that's when I don't like being in a trade. So, 15-minute gap here, 15-minute gap here and here. So this, pretty much this area is like this area. So I'm saying might sweep this and then get the long. I just gotta remember that shit's gonna take time, man. So it's like, why I've been rushing into trades clearly. Here, here, here. Rushy trades, you know, not waiting. Forget what I actually enjoy doing, which is fucking trading properly. Getting into a good setup. That first day was a good setup because I was really strong bias on this long. This one here, which is second trade or first trade? That was my first trade. Second trade. Yeah, second trade. Because we were so bullish, I just want to see a continuation to that high. And we inverse this 2000 here in this 2000. It was nice. Flip. Yesterday's trade, wouldn't say it was a good entry. It's a bit choppy. Wasn't clear. This is clear. This is clear. This is not clear. Just gotta be patient. Today in the morning, my fucking cigarette addiction was testing me, bruv. But yeah, gotta reduce that, man. $15 a day. It's like a fucking $100 a week subscription. Go away from myself. Go away from myself. Go wait for manipulation to occur. The system works off that. It needs to manipulate. This is not manipulation. It needs to go down, then manipulate down, and then get in here. So let this fucking do its thing. So this is all good for now. This is a trade that people will be taking. So let's just see.
we grind and start. I know that right now. She's mine if she makes eye contact. Fresh kick still got the price on that. Everybody watch me like man some star. Big bunda babe in Manchester. Got them chaps in man like raw. You don't know she's a gang member. She know the squad, she know the crew. From long time it's been overdue. From across the room I notice you. And all these girls love chosen you. She know the squad, she know the crew. From long time it's been overdue. From across the room I notice you. And all these girls love chosen you. I've been doing what I got to do. I've been working all afternoon. Hit the store, get some alcohol.
Virgin man, fucking in this market, it's slower for sure. It's a lot slower.
Well, let me get a private one. Thought she was soft, she's a violent one. Baby girl, you're too feisty. That's cool by me, but can you handle a dude like me? Roll up in something trendy. I'm so ugly that I'm sexy, and I'm silent and deadly, but I still wanna get friendly. She know the squad, she know the crew. From long time it's been overdue. From across the room I notice you, and all these girls I've chosen you.
It's not just a slow grind down.
From long time it's been overdue. From across the room I notice you, and all these girls I've chosen you.
Around this 1 hour. The fact that this has been repriced makes me hold into the long buys. This area. I just gotta be okay with knowing that if I want to see something, I gotta see that and then execute on what I want to see. And if I don't, like, I want to see this come down, I want to see it do something here, inverse, go back long, take long to this high. That's ideally what I want to see.
Look, send me the link so that we can link. I got a main link, side link, sneaky link. I got a one in Northwest, that's my freaky link. I got a one in Southwest, that's my deeper link. I got a one singer ting, that's my keeper link. I zone out when she talks about featuring. She hates seeing me in vids with girls featured in, and so we shot a one vid that she featured in. I got a localish ting and she's big on discretion. Knows I'm a dog but we all go to heaven. Lately she been trying to use sex as a weapon, but the pussy's so good it almost taught man a lesson. I ain't big at maths, there's some things I can't do, but all my ones are the ones and I'm the one to them too. They always come for me and I come for them too. They're probably onto me but I'm onto them too. It's too much. My one thing says she loves me. It's too much. In public she's trying to hug me. It's too much. I can't lie, the back's lovely. It's too much. It's getting on for a nigga. Like to tell my ex what you
Aggressive sell. A lot of room to come down, let's be real. So like I said, just gotta wait for my setup and execute on that. I wanna see long, so just let this fucking do its thing. It is moving down, bruv. It is moving down. too much. It's too much. There's nothing that I could have executed on that. Like this close I could say, you know, maybe, but it's not my system. And I didn't expect that this would come so quickly down. Slow market, man. Slow market, bruv. I'd like to wait for something just clean, to be honest, because I can see myself getting impulsive with how price is trading, and I mean if this wants to offer a continuation, sure, I can take that, and then it inverses back down. Conflicting ideas are always a problem for me when I can make sense of both sides. It is bare slow today. Difficult spot, eh, Guardias? Hard to say. I mean, on the 5 minute, this does look like it wants to claim lower. Internal inversion, continue lower. Looks like it wants to continue lower. It's a lot of aggression. If this just looks like that and then instantly sells back down. Yeah. Especially if it starts to buy back up here. Cool, calm, and collected. That's how we have to stay. Just relax and understand that the market is not going to be fucking forgiving. Oh, it's a slow market today. Today's a Friday, so we trade and then we probably go gym. I probably will go gym after we trade. And it's Friday night, so I think I'm going to watch an NPL game tonight. I think so. What's good bots, bro? What's happening, my man? Getting this 2000 respect here. HS Tiki Toki. It's crazy. Bro loves to hate. But rage bait, so I know it's fun. Line go right now. What about you? Looking at a setup. Yeah, I wanna go long, to be honest. But we're having a good sell reaction out of this area, so this is quite bearish. Obviously, I would like to see it get bought up quickly. What's gold looking like? Looking at gold long. HS Tiki Toki. If you reread the comment, then I don't know, bro. That's low-key a glaze or an insult. It's no in between. I don't know which one with you. That's bearish. That's a really bearish close. He's a jacked mixed dude. Ah, respect. Respect. Been the Owen, bro. What a goated name. Should change my Instagram to that. India Owen's actually a goated name, to be fair. It's pretty okay. That's probably true. That is definitely true. Pre-market long, if you're in from here, I think that it's definitely fucking top 500. This low here is, in my opinion, has to be pretty protected. Like that has to be protected if this is to go long. So if you are long anywhere here, I'd say that it's a good trade, but the way that I trade wouldn't allow me to be in that. Fucking market is brave. Bro, yesterday? I don't know, bro, if I should even speak about this on the stream. Nah, I can't do that, can't do it. 15 bear winner is 593. Off. This close? Yeah. Same idea. Along the same lines. But I need to see reaction in here because this 5,000 inversion has to be the next point that holds us up. So this is just noise at the moment. Play this a bit more low key. Trends for the bears, Schroeder's equation isn't great for them. That's what I mean about this just getting bought back up into. But I just think this is still gonna work its way a little bit lower. Give these people hope. And then reverse. This is a point reversal I'm not the biggest fan of. Probably have to wait until we reclaim above here. Gain something in here, but otherwise underneath, I'm happy to take a little fucking stab long. Could definitely do that as well. It's still like when you look at this, it's bearish, so hard to ignore that it is quite bearish here. Such conflicting information. When I say this, bearish, and then this 2000 here respects with that close, it does make me think that this wants to push lower, but it could just be a price action that doesn't allow me to get in. Because at some point you have to just say, alright, it's going down. Where's the fucking... No, it's not that, it's this. Sean told me about this, it's pretty good. There's another confluence. Looking for when it touches the second. Obviously it's in hindsight, but sometimes it's good to get your setup with it touching the second line. So like, yeah, pretty much a push below here, which is aligned with everything that I want to see. Slow markets, brother. So slow though. What's up, Brav? What's happening? What's going on, my brother? Bro's definitely already made money for the day. What do you mean, bots? Chilling in a short. Yeah, of course you are. Probably just gonna slow grind all the way down to this low. I like the close on this 2000, but yeah, it's not really my system. Like how MQ's moving today. Fuck, clean. NQ's moving like fucking bullshit today. It's moving like ass, bruh. Yeah, I like trading like that. That's what I've been sort of doing. Psychology wise, it's still sort of 1 to 5R, but then it either moves between like a 1 to 3R or like a 1 to 7R. So you still secure that, guaranteed. Well, you gotta let your winners run, is the fucking thing. Like this day here, it's like, how do you know that this is gonna... You don't know that that's gonna happen, but if you stay in that original trade, you take 4 off at your target, and you try to see what happens here, or we push up. noise at the moment. Paulo. No way, bro. Paulo or Joey? Fucking love Joey, bro. Joey's a sick cunt. I love Joey. It's the best, bro. I don't even use Twitter, bro. To be honest, that shit's like, I never know. Yeah, if you're trading 2 micros, bro, wouldn't. It only makes sense the more micros you trade in. Like if you're trading fucking 10 micros, take 7, leave 3. Trading 5, take 4, leave 1. But if you're trading like a few of those, this is a fucking strong buyout. Still not enough yet. Not at all. Not enough at all. It's very tight ranges. Like this isn't a big range. It's happened very slowly. Been alright, bro. I took that 2-week break, obviously, after passing their fucking accounts. Not by choice. Like, I had family over, and... yeah, like... fucking mid-streaming time, take them to the airport, or... fucking all this random shit, tourists in my own city, going to, like, explore and shit, which is fine. Like, it's okay, but... definitely detracts from what you're doing momentum wise. Like I feel like I lost momentum posting, and yeah, and don't got no dad to fucking take a lot of the burden, bro. I think they're good when you're having a bad period. I think they're bad when you're having a good period. So I was really confident in my trading. Every day, getting on, trading well, consistent growth, and then obviously you take a break, and then your confidence dips a tiny bit. It's like anything, in my opinion. Like you go to the gym. Oh, fucking Joey Meach, what's going on, bro? You go to the gym, you take 2 weeks off, you feel a bit weaker on your first session back. You might not lift as heavy. You're still there. You're still showing up. Don't overtrain, don't be retarded. Trading, same thing. Come back. Take 1 loss, take 1 win. Like even for me, if I take a win on this day, I was up 300. I could have stopped there, you know. I took 1 more trade. What's good, Sean? What's good, bro? But yeah, I think like if you got momentum, like why would you want to take a break? Like when things are going well, why would you, like for me, things were going great. It's growing, platforms, trading, getting better, past evals, everything was good. Now, can I blame my fucking family for coming? Like no, like it's just fucking life, but I make a choice to either work through that or fucking take time off, and I take time off, unfortunately. But I just gotta trade well, just take a loss, move on. Things can fucking happen quickly, they can happen slowly with trading. Like, catch a winning period and then we'll fucking get past the buffer, and then, you know, then we'll start making money. But it's surviving until we catch that. I could take a win today, I could take 2 wins today, I could take 0 trades, I could take another loss. I already know that outcome, so it shouldn't affect me. Yeah, and the 2 days that I traded and took losses. So it's like, keep those losses small and I should be able to survive. And if it's garbage PA for the next 2 weeks and I blow these accounts, then we trade the evals. But like I said, trade the evals with more risk so we can pass them quicker and then do the same thing again. But what got me into trading, honestly bro, fucking doom scrolling YouTube at a young age. Member FX, get rich quick type shit. But what's kept me trading is a better question. So what got me into trading was people flaunting a lifestyle. But what kept me in trading is definitely the improvement of discipline and fucking the growth that occurs off charts more than on charts, to be honest. You know what I mean? Like, it exposes all your fucking 4 minute but only 9 more. I don't get them when firms do that. It's like they either want you to fucking oversize or undersize. But yeah, what kept me in trading, bro, is definitely fucking the growth aspect that comes with trading well. You know what I mean? You gamble, you take a revenge trade, you're emotional, something's happening outside of your life. You follow your plan, you follow your system, creates momentum, you go to the gym, you do all these things. Yeah, multiple times. I still think it's a scam sometimes, bro. But one thing I forget to realize is that I trade full time. So, regardless of if I made money even this year, am I technically profitable? It depends how you look at it. But a positive person would say yes, because I trade full time. I traded buying more investment properties for trading full time. Yeah, I lost everything. Then I got some money, and now I trade full time. So it's easy to get caught in a negative mindset of what I do each day, but I genuinely trade full time. So is it a scam? I don't know. Am I where I want to be? No. Like in terms of goals, cars, traveling, all these things, but am I doing what I actually wanted to do each day, which is work for myself, wake up when I want to, do all these things? Yes, like I do that every day. Can't complain about that. Definitely can't complain about that. I don't gotta catch no trains. I don't gotta catch no fucking buses. I don't gotta fucking do none of that. I don't gotta answer to some manager telling me I'm late today. Like, if I'm late, I'm late. You know what I mean? And you guys probably know I'm not 100% there. Sometimes streams are early, sometimes streams are late. But I think that's part of the fun. As long as I'm not deviating from my plan, which is trading outside my hours, which I'm moving to the 1 hour before. Like, I'm not moving to that, but 11 AM technically is when I should come on the charts. I'm just gonna trade Asia session and London session if required or available, but I understand how Asia session moves it off to position myself in it. What is this goofy ass sign, bruh? But yeah, it's easy to forget that I trade full time and just actually provide the value that's gotten me to this point, instead of trying to think like, oh, I'm not driving a fucking Lamborghini, which means that I'm a trader. Like, I have other priorities, you know. A lot of these dudes, unfortunately, will have that car, or they buy a car, but maybe their family's already in a good position. For me, I fucking upgraded my family's lifestyle. Obviously with their help, like, it's not just me, I'm not there yet, but making big decisions, you know, moving from a unit into a house, taking on that responsibility, paying fucking bills and shit, like, that's life. And I made that choice while trading full time. So it's like, you know, living off my money. I got the money to go buy a nice car, but I won't. I drive my $500 Holden Astra and make sure my mum has a new car. And she loves it, so good stuff. Good stuff, man. It's like one of those things, you never know if it's going to make sense until it does. And it's so easy to fake P&Ls and things like that. It's a nice close. Just gotta watch for the manipulation back down. It's moving quick though. This could be the move. How long? Multiple years, bro. Like, things just happen. Yeah, I'd probably like to be long here. If we get this inverse here, I'll try to limit this. But depends how we close over it. But to be honest, the story goes, I quit my job, lost everything, worked in sales for 6 months for a physique company, which I don't even know how I got that job. They're fucking huge, probably one of the biggest in Australia. Built my savings back up, and then just made a decision that I was wasting all this money on evals. Why couldn't I afford to fucking like actually improve my family's lifestyle? No clothes above, so but yeah, and then I just made that decision when I got back into it, like, alright, trade slower, trade properly, but actually improve your family's lifestyle first. And so I did that, and that's what currently is happening. And obviously, as you can see, we're in a different house than we used to be. Got big room, got balcony, got backyard, got a fucking view. So yeah, the close is not favourable for me. Fucking earth. Let's fucking go, Sean. 6 bands, bro. Someone actually messaged me that. I don't know if I helped them, but it's his first payout. He's like 19. 6k payout he got on one account. And bro's like G'ing up so much. Obviously he didn't. I didn't do anything. But maybe I helped him. 19-year-old make 10 grand. AUD, 6k USD. It's fucking life-changing money at that age, depending on the situation that he's in. Or he might just already be a fucking good trader and he's just ahead of me, and that's... I'm glad. Ugly, 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 ugly. Alright, important to see what we do here, because now this is reclaiming back below. Fuck me dead. It's big dosh. It's 14k USD. The fucking exchange rate's terrible at the moment. Which is, it's still alright for us. I'm shooting for this, which is scary. Maybe too big, maybe too small, whatever. That's what we're doing. But yeah, back in like what, this period, 1.5. It's a big difference in how much you're fucking taking off the table. 27 USD, K USD be 38. But back when it was like 1.5, it would have been 40.8, which just said it seems better, but it's only a K difference. Yeah, if this reclaims above, especially with this close, I might take long.
Order filled.
I'll do it. And I'll shoot for this high. It came into this zone. We have this. It's inversing this. I think if I take a loss on this, I'll be happy, but I want to get into this on full size, so we'll add one more contract.
Order filled.
200 risk at the low, and we'll take for 300. Now we either win or we lose, and it is what it is. And we can take the same framework, which is limit sell 3 above here. If it fails, it fails. Would like to see it push above. If it flips down and sells off, then maybe we entered prematurely and we'll come back tomorrow. I mean, really, I should be waiting for a close, which I didn't do today, but this is part of it, so this is probably going to fail now with that sort of bearish action. Annoying. This will fail for sure. That's just such a bearish close. No way that this doesn't get hit. So this is another loss there. Oh well. Should have been patient. Now watch this be. Yeah, I shouldn't have entered so prematurely, bro. For God's sake. Annoying. Fuck me, man. I don't know. Sadly, waiting for the close is just like, it's just such a simple thing to do. Just gotta wait for a close, man. It's just gotta confirm. This close is so important. This happened. This is like fucking. Just gotta wait for the close, bro. Prematurely entering is just dumb. It's always dumb. That's disgusting. Oh well. Oh, test my ID on a long setup on the practice account. Forget it, but yeah, shorts just play now, so wrong side of the market again 3 days in a row. And it's fucking bearish as fuck. Gay as hell, bro. You never know when news is gonna drop, eh? Yeah. No, I'm alright. Like I fucking lost money today. It is what it is. 3 losing days in a row is frustrating, but it's part of it. Can't get mad. It's alright to be on the wrong side. how we react to it is what's important. That's the main thing. That's an ugly candle, bro. Fucking ugly candle, man. Underneath the EMA, respect. This is fucking disgusting clothes. Manipulate below and then probably push up. Fuck. Damn. Watch this beta manipulation. If this closes bullish, I'll get in on this practice account. Do like fucking 1.5 minis. Yeah, it's true. Shit trading session for me today. It's wicking into there, so it's probably sell back to this low.
Order filled.
Now we can just fucking gamble on a practice account. Tag the 2000 inversion here. Continue low. Back to this low. Or just lose on this as well. So it's good to have a practice account that you can just do whatever you want on. Well, I believe. Because doing this on this account is gonna annoy me way less than doing it on anything that's funded. Gay, bro. It's just gay, man. Like, imagine this was a funded account and I increased my daily loss limit. Try to take this as a trade. How annoying would that be? Nice. Market is definitely harder to trade for me at the moment. So clearly we're not in sync with the market today, and that's fucking fine. It's fine to not be in sync with the market.
Order filled.
Watch now. Yeah, look at this fucking price action, bro. Crazy price action today. Right idea. Again, just waiting to manipulate below this low, and I got in on the fake out, manipulate, push up, come to this high, I reckon.
Order filled.
Let's
Order
just
filled.
slam
Order
fucking
filled.
max size on this. I wonder how people trade prop firms with their live personal account. Because like, this account is just on full send. But I would never, like, I couldn't have the balls to take this trade. Well, I do have the balls to take it on a practice account, but not on fucking... Right idea. Just have to wait for manipulation, dude. That's what I said. I legit said I wanted to see that. Fucking this exact thing. Just gay. Yeah. Got break even here as well. Probably strain for a bit more and then get off, because full losing week, probably shouldn't stay on the charts too much longer. Just enjoy my Friday, as I usually do.
This is where opportunity meets chance. May I please have this dance?
The trade another day. Rule 101. With the way that I'm trading now, I could survive the trade for quite a while. So like, I'm really not stressed. Now when the money comes, we don't know, man. We got no idea when the money comes. That's why it's one of the hardest jobs in the world, because you never fucking know. I reckon this long framework will play out though to this high, because this is now reprice 50% of this range. Like even off this close, but it would be difficult to take that close with a stop like that. Gay as hell, bro. This drawdown, the way this works is, yeah. Nothing we haven't done before, boys. Nothing nothing we haven't done before.
That's jazz, baby.
Yeah, I think this is either going to be a point where it flips all the way back down, aggressive sell-off, or it starts to work itself out. This even tries to play with your mental state as well, because technically I'm down 1500-ish, 1600, but because at the end of their trading, I've taken $500 of losses in a row. Max loss is actually that, so that makes sense, which sucks. So like, there's different ways you can trade to base. People like to take one setup per account, trade this by itself, not on copy trade. Alright, slam short here, doesn't work. Or slam long here, doesn't work. Second account, slam long here, doesn't work. Or does work, and then bang, they make like fucking big dollars. Copy trading is difficult. It is like fucking pulling teeth, especially the way it's trading at the moment. And then you're getting this flip back down, bro. This market today is just, I'm not in sync with it at all. I go to the gym. It's like all happening, bro. I'm growing my hair out, trying to quit cigarettes, trying to do a fuck can't flip challenge, but it's just fuck. Whatever doesn't kill you make you stronger. That's what they said. Till it's lights out, then it's all over. It'll be nice to actually get out of the house today early, go to the gym and just train. I'm actually looking forward to that. Genuinely looking forward to just, yeah, fucking going to the gym today. I hope for your sake it does. Because obviously this isn't a proper trade, it's a practice account. I don't give a fuck if this does one or the other. That's pretty bearish. Market today. Let's move all drawings. Just look at the market for what it's actually doing. I mean, the 1 hour chart is quite bearish. Like I said, it's overall it's still bearish, so it can be expected that this pushes lower. I just think it's price action is just not it right now. Even on the 5,000 tick chart, so many ranges, tight ranges getting created. It's almost the time where you have to inverse what your actual idea is. Because I'm not going to change like how I'm trading. Yeah, nice, you're in that. Doesn't look like it just wants to round down. Disgusting PA for me. So today we just out of sync with the market completely, which is fine. Only trading some big loss, yeah. It's choppy and rangy. So what are we on? $8,400, but technically 7.5. Disgusting PA. I think I'll just call it here, boys. It's like one of those days. It's just not ideal to trade for me. It's a Friday. Got a full weekend ahead of me to do anything but trading. And then back on Monday, hopefully with some fresh PA. Unemployment claim yesterday. Quad witching. Yeah, I think it is gonna be fucking choppy as hell. I'm trying to think. The other thing I can do is get five evals, and then on a day like trade them alongside. No, I'm gonna focus on one thing at a time. I'm just gonna focus on what I'm doing. I'm not gonna go deviate outside of it. I'm just gonna trade the funded accounts, trade them more. I'm not gonna overtrade. I'll go fucking train this into me, so it's concrete. It needs to be fucking concrete. This is disgusting. But anyway, that's my week done. Today's Friday, so not much else I can do. But get the fuck off. So yeah, boys, I'm gonna fucking call it here. And back on Monday. Probably spend the weekend doing some fucking weird shit. Try to build some fucking random stuff or what, I don't know, bro. Last week I turned into an arborist. Fucking cut down 3 massive trees, 5-meter trees. I do some weird shit on weekends. So tomorrow or the weekend I'll probably have to tackle the backyard, which is fucking like a jungle, dude. Cause it's backed onto a fucking all is over. It never gets easier losing money. Of course it won't. Like it's not gonna get easier. Once this max loss gets into 1,000, it will change to $100 risk. It's gonna suck trying to make 150 a day, but or we might just keep it the same. I don't know. We'll focus on the next trade. The next trade is all we can focus on. So hopefully Monday brings better PA, or Tuesday, or whatever the fuck. Taking a loss in this it's okay. Like realistically, it's fine. 5-minute was telling with this. But yeah, I'm gonna get off, go to the gym, eat some food, kick back, do whatever I need to do, and yeah, back on Monday, boys. So have a fucking good weekend. Don't do anything fucking stupid or do stupid shit. Fuck it. Send it season, brother. Always. But yeah, have a good weekend, boys. Appreciate you hanging out. Wherever the fuck in the world you are. But yeah, leave a like on the stream if you enjoyed me losing money. Sub if you haven't. And yeah, besides that, back on Monday, boys. And try and make it a good week. I like this quote. I don't even know if this is a quote, but I made it a quote. It's gone. It's a fucking banger quote, mate. Read that again. It's gone. I like that quote. I wonder if it is a quote. Nah. Written so much better by me, man. One bad chapter doesn't define your story. One bad chapter doesn't. Nah. One bad page doesn't ruin a good chapter. A bad chapter doesn't ruin a good book. Quote of the day, boys. Remember that, alright? Much love. I'm getting off. Back on Monday. Enjoy your weekends. Much love. Really appreciate you all. And yeah, catch us on the fresh week. Much love. Goodbye.